Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how do you check your software version on your One More stylish wireless headphones. Let's get started. So firstly we have to open One More Music app. Secondly we have to remove our headphones from the case, just to have them connected with our phone. As you can see, they're connecting now. They are now connected. If you want to check our firmware upgrade, we have to click OTA firmware upgrade, and as we can see, this is the latest version. But if we want to check our app version, we have to click this button over here, and about One Music app version 5.0.3. That's it for today. Goodbye.